Hello, and thanks for joining the May Teaser Tuesday. Stay tuned, and we're just gonna give you a little update. Thanks for joining us. We are out running some errands here this morning before we get to do a little ruck and try and get reconditioned for our trip that's still on for early summer. And like most of you, the COVID-19 lockdown has caused, a lot of impact on our lives. Getting gear, getting supplies for backpacking meals, that kind of thing. So the last month or two has been pretty slow for content development here on the channel, but we just started last Friday to get in some of the gear and equipment and supplies that we need, and we've been shooting a lot of content, and we'll continue to do that for the next week or so, and then get spooled back up probably to have videos consistently coming out again in June. And it's been really cold here lately, and we've been and wet and rainy, unusually so. But hopefully that'll change over the next week, and we can get out, the trails can dry out, and we can actually get off the pavement and concrete and out on the trail to do some conditioning work and go from there. So everything is still on for our summer trip, and we'll be getting content out to you soon. If you have things that you want to see, leave them in the comments below. We have a lot of content on backpacking meals coming up, and we're shooting those right now. We've already got a lot of footage on some of those new freeze-dried meals, and some gear and some unboxings and those kinds of normal things. We may be able to add some tech videos related to the Pine phone and other OSs that have just gotten derailed during the COVID-19 issue. But looks like the country's going to get back to work, at least here in the US, and hopefully things will just move back toward more normal. So hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll be in touch. If you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya. Okay, and so now there's the vegetables that we prepared earlier. Those are going to go in. Along with the broccoli